So how to pay a parking ticket in the UK. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to pay a parking fine, also known as a PCN, online. Now before we get started, it is important to mention that the process I'm about to show you is specifically for fines issued by local councils. If you've received a parking charge from a private company, for example from a retail park, shopping centre car park, or just a private car park in general, the process is slightly different there, as each private company will have their own method of dealing with parking charges. So if you've received a letter from a private company saying you owe parking charges, then you'll need to refer to that letter directly, as they should list out the step-by-step instructions on how to pay. But usually it will give you a link to an online portal where you can go ahead and pay the parking charge from there. But anyway, back to the main point of the video. To go ahead and pay a PCN from a council, you're first going to need to work out which council issued you with your parking ticket. So if you refer to your own PCN, it should display the council that issued it. So here's our example. You can see that this PCN in particular was issued by Milton Keynes City Council. So once you've worked out which council issued you the PCN, you can then head over to Google, and what you want to do is you want to simply search for the council that issued you the fine on Google, and then add on PCN onto the search. And then once you've done that, you should see your specific council come up in the search. So for example, here's the Milton Keynes one. So if you go ahead and click that, it will then bring you through to the council website and take you to the specific web page that covers PCNs. So as you can see right here, here's the Milton Keynes one. And once you're on the specific PCN web page, there should be an option nice and clear to say pay a parking ticket. Obviously, every council website will be different, so the layout for you might be slightly different to what I'm showing you on screen, but there should be an option, like there is here, to go ahead and select pay a parking ticket. So you'll just go ahead and select that. And then once you've done that, you simply want to go ahead and enter your car registration along with the PCN number. Now, if you don't know what the PCN number is, if you refer to your PCN ticket, you should be able to locate it from there. So in our example, the PCN number is located right at the top here. Each council will structure their PCN codes differently, but it is usually 2 letters followed by 8 to 10 digit numbers. So once you've got your PCN number, go ahead and enter it in and click submit. Then from there, it should take you through to a page which will look like this, which will give you all the information about your PCN. So to go ahead and pay it, there should be an option like here to select pay. So you'll go ahead and click that. Then once you've selected pay, it may tell you it's outstanding. So nice and simple, just select pay again. And then once you've done that, it may prompt you with more. So from here, to continue, select proceed. And then from there, it should then redirect you to your specific council's payment portal. So you'll just want to go ahead, enter your details and make the payment. And there you have it. And as soon as you've made the payment, you should be given confirmation like this. And it is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.